Hello, sweetie. Little creamsicle girl. What a little creamsicle face you are. Wow. I was digging away.
Volunteer to the boutique, please. Volunteer to the boutique.
Hello, sweetie.
Thank you.
Hey, sweet.
It looks like he stopped.
Yeah. This is beautiful creamsicle. A lovely little creamsicle. Sweet little girl. Good little mustache. All the love you'd ever want. Huh? Pretty. Yes. Let's see, what does it say? Creamsicle. Pulled from ACC. That means that this cat was on the euthanasia list and she was scheduled to be put down. Perfect cat.
Why?
Because there's no room. The shelters that they take any cat, they can't refuse any cat. And if the cat's not adopted within 5 days or a week, they put them down to make space for the others. At the city control, and this cat would have just been put down for nothing. Perfectly healthy cat. And the shelter just took her in. They go through the list is sent to the shelter, and the shelter pulls them off the line. And this beautiful cat has a chance for a home.